So what on earth is 6G? These telecom operators have already started working on 6G network facilities. 6G is the next generation of cellular technology in a world that's increasingly reliant on high-speed internet. Our current networks are struggling to keep pace. It's clear we've hit the limits of what 5G can offer. Imagine a life where lagging, buffering, or disconnections are things of the past. Picture seamless virtual reality experiences, instantaneous data transfer, and revolutionary advancements in IoT, AI, and robotics, all facilitated by a network of unimaginable speed and efficiency. Welcome to a new era, the era of 6G networks. This groundbreaking technology will change everything, propelling us into a future where the internet's full potential can finally be unlocked. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting possibilities of 6G networks, the technology that will shape the world of tomorrow. Let's start. What is a 6G network? The 6G network is the next generation of wireless communication technology being developed for mobile systems. It aims to provide even faster and more reliable connections compared to the current 5G networks. 6G networks will operate in new and unused radio frequencies and employ advanced technologies like artificial intelligence (AI). Compared to 5G, 6G will use even higher frequencies and offer significantly greater capacity. This means that more devices can connect to the network simultaneously without compromising the speed or quality of the connection. Additionally, the latency, or the time it takes for data to travel between devices, will be greatly reduced. In fact, one of the main goals of 6G is to achieve communication with a delay of just 1 microsecond, which is 1,000 times faster than the 1 millisecond delay in 5G. How 6G networks work. 6G networks are still being developed, but there are some expectations about how they will function. One key aspect is the use of ultra-high frequencies, also known as millimeter waves, in the radio spectrum. These higher frequencies can carry more data compared to the frequencies used in 5G networks. It is possible that 6G will push the boundaries of the radio spectrum even further, reaching extremely high frequency levels of 300 gigahertz or even terahertz. This increase in frequency allows for greater bandwidth capacity and faster transmission of data. One interesting feature of 6G is the use of wireless sensing solutions that can measure absorption and adjust frequencies accordingly. This means that different frequencies can be selectively used to measure specific characteristics or substances. Atoms and molecules have their own characteristic frequencies for emitting and absorbing electromagnetic radiation, and this knowledge can be leveraged in 6G technology. The implications of 6G extend beyond just faster wireless communication. They have the potential to revolutionize various areas such as public safety and critical asset protection. For example, 6G can enhance threat detection capabilities, enable health monitoring systems, improve the feature and facial recognition technology, and aid in decision-making for law enforcement and social credit systems. It can also contribute to air quality measurements, gas and toxicity sensing, and create sensory interfaces that provide a more immersive experience similar to real life. These advancements will not only benefit smartphone and mobile network technology, but also have a significant impact on emerging technologies like smart cities, autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, and augmented reality. What can 6G networks really do? 6G technology holds great potential for transforming various aspects of our lives. One significant impact will be on the creation of the metaverse, a fully integrated virtual world. Current technologies like 5G lack the necessary bandwidth to deliver real-time personalized 3D experiences, but 6G will have the speed and capacity to make it possible. This means that tech giants will be able to build immersive, persistent virtual environments where users can interact and explore. Moreover, 6G will facilitate the proliferation of smart devices. This means that more devices will be connected to the internet, collecting and transmitting data, which will lead to advancements in imaging presence technology and location awareness. With the use of artificial intelligence (AI), the computational infrastructure of 6G will optimize computing processes, including storage, processing, and sharing of data. One exciting application of 6G is in the realm of training and education. Companies will be able to provide immersive virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) experiences to enhance knowledge transfer among teams. For example, Honeywell, an aerospace and engineering conglomerate, already uses AR and VR to improve training, which means that new employees will be equipped with mixed reality headsets that will allow them to observe and learn from experienced workers in real time, with overlaid information guiding them through tasks. The healthcare industry will also experience a revolution with 6G technology. In this case, lightning-fast data speeds will enable the use of smart sensors that can monitor and measure various aspects of our health. These sensors could float through our bloodstream continuously, collecting data and analyzing it to provide recommendations and predict potential health issues before they arise. This in turn will make smart devices supported by up-to-date digital representations of ourselves to be capable of offering physical assistance and administering medications. These advancements will shift healthcare from a reactive model to a predictive and personalized one. It will transform the way we take care of our health, benefiting both individuals and healthcare professionals. Now let's compare this network with the other previous networks and understand what we stand to gain when 6G networks will be active comparison with older networks like 3G, 4G, and 5G. In the past, we had 3G networks that mainly allowed us to communicate with each other using voice calls and text messages. Then came 4G, which changed how we use data, enabling us to consume large amounts of information. To illustrate the difference, let's compare the peak speeds of 3G and 4G. 3G offers a maximum speed of around 14 megabits per second, Mbps, while 4G can reach speeds of up to 100 megabits per second. This means that 4G enables much faster downloads and uploads. With 4G, users can stream high-definition videos and audio without interruptions, while 3G struggles to deliver such smooth experiences. With the 4G technology, the doors to wireless broadband were opened, which allows users to access the internet without relying on a fixed wired connection from an internet service provider. This in turn has made mobile devices connect to mobile networks using an antenna that transmits radio frequencies. But while these possibilities have been awesome, a new possibility emerged. Let's talk about the difference between this new possibility and 4G, how 5G is different from 4G. 5G, the fifth generation of cellular networks, brings significant advancements compared to its predecessor. 4G. 5G is exceptionally fast, up to 100 times faster than 4G. This means that data can be transmitted and received at much higher speeds, enabling faster downloads, uploads, and overall internet performance. One of the major improvements in 5G is its increased capacity. This means that there is more room on the network for devices to access higher data speeds. It possesses built-in processing capabilities, making them more than just a means of connectivity. While 4G networks often face challenges when handling numerous devices in the same location, such as during crowded events, 5G overcomes this issue by employing high-precision transmission to each device. It has the capability to handle a significantly larger number of devices, accommodating up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. While 4G's primary goal is focused on connecting smartphones, 5G is designed to connect a wide range of devices. The 5G network can provide the necessary connectivity for diverse devices, from smartphones and tablets to smart home appliances and industrial equipment. These possibilities enjoyed using the 5G network are said to be much better, with a new game changer on the way. But what is expected from this new game changer, and how is it different from the 5G network? How 6G is different from 5G? You see, 6G is expected to be incredibly fast, with claims of reaching speeds of 1 terabit per second or 8000 gigabits per second. And with this game changer, users could download 142 hours of high-quality video from Netflix every second. This exceptional speed will enable seamless streaming, lightning-fast downloads, and real-time data transfers. 6G is envisioned to move beyond a traditional wired network setup and adopt a decentralized network approach. The 6G utilizes a different spectrum than 5G, allowing for a wide range of use cases across various industrial sectors. This means that 6G can cater to specific needs and enhance efficiency in areas such as manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and more. The versatility of 6G will enable tailored solutions for different industries. Additionally, 6G is likely to provide wider network coverage, ensuring that connectivity is available in more areas, including remote and rural locations, as the number of connected devices continues to grow. 6G is anticipated to support 10 times more devices per square kilometer compared to 5G. This will be very important in the era of the Internet of Things, IoT. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100 to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.